Namaste everyone, welcome to Infinity. Today we will learn about the beginner's guide for Mavic Mini. So I have recently purchased this DJI Mavic Mini combo pack and I have already unboxed it, but to show it to you guys I will unbox it again. So I am starting to unbox this, and these are the list of things we get in this box. This is the main briefcase of the drone we get in the box. We are unboxing it to see what's in it. So this is the drone itself. This is the drone. This is the charger with 3 batteries in it. This is the RC remote controller in which we can see the display of what our drone is shooting with using our mobiles. These are the extra propellers we get. These are the extra propellers. This is a mini screwdriver to change the propellers. These are the extra joysticks that we can use in it if we broke this previous joysticks. As you can see, we have a very compact RC here. On the side of the RC, we have a micro USB charging point. It takes on an average 2 to 3 hours to get the RC fully charged. We can also use this micro USB charging point to connect our mobile phones to the RC using the DJI Fly app. Stay tuned with me till the end of this video to know more about the DJI Fly app. These are the 2 antennas present on the top of the RC. You need to unfold the antennas this way. These antennas connect you to the drone with 5 GHz while the drone is flying. On the top left, we have a video recording button which records the video in the maximum resolution of 2.7K. On the right, we have a snap clicking button which clicks the snap in maximum 12 megapixels. Behind the video recording button, we have got this dial button. You can use this dial button, move it to the left to tilt the drone's camera down, and you can get a top-down view from the drone. In the front, we have got 2 buttons. One is the power button and one is the return to home. The power button with one press shows us the remaining battery level. On this side, we have got the RTH. If you press this button, your drone while flying will return to the takeoff position. On the down, we have 2 arms. We can open the arms this way. We can pull out the joysticks from it and place it here this way. Repeat the same procedure for the next. You can now mount your smartphones in it with the cable given to you. Here I have a phone which has Type-C cable, so I will be mounting this micro USB here in the RC. And I will mount my phone this way. So here my phone is mounted very safely and securely. I can see all the display of what my drone is shooting in my smartphone using this RC with the help of the cable that connects my phone to the RC. Here I am showing you how do we charge this RC. So this is the cable we have got in the combo pack. Actually, we also get the adapter with this, but I don't know why. I am just unfortunate enough, so I don't got the adapter. So we place this micro USB in the port like this, and this in our adapter. As you can see, the LEDs on the top of the RC indicates the battery level. As you can see, the RC is fully charged, but it takes on an average 2 to 3 hours to get fully charged if it is fully discharged. So this was one of the way of charging our RC. Now I will show you another way of charging our RC. So we unplug this USB and we place this USB in our charging hub. like this. You can see these LEDs. It means the RC is charging with the help of the charging hub. So we can charge our RC anytime, anywhere by using this charging hub as a power bank. Now I'll tell you all the benefits of having a combo pack. So in a combo pack you get a charging hub and 3 batteries. You can charge 2 batteries alternately while your drone is flying with one. As I earlier told you, you can only charge one of your batteries in this charging hub. But now I am going to share you a trick in which you can charge 2 batteries at a time. You can take this out one battery, take out your drone, place this battery in the drone like this, push it in, it's in, fix it. Now I have inserted the battery in the drone. Now I'll show you that you can also see the battery level by clicking the power button of the drone once. The LED here shows the battery level. So my battery is not fully charged. So you can charge the drone by placing the USB cable like this, and you can see it's charging. The LED starts blinking and you can see it's charging. So one battery here inside the drone is charging, and I can also use this hub to charge 2 of these batteries alternately. I'm sorry, I have actually only one adapter to show it to you guys. So I am placing it here again. And you can see 2 of the batteries will be charged alternately. Here I have mounted my phone in the RC, and you can see my phone is fully secure over here. So we will need DJI Fly app to get our phones connected with the RC. You can get the app easily on Play Store. You can see I have already downloaded this DJI Fly app. You can get it in the Play Store or Apple Store. So we will go with the DJI Fly app, open this app, and this is the screen you can see. This is our DJI Mavic Mini. Now we will unfold the cap here this way. Now we will unfold its arm. We will unfold the first arm. As you can see, it's written first over here. We will unfold the first arm this way, moving it forward, and we will unfold the second arm, moving it downwards and opening it. We will repeat the same procedure on this side also. Here our DJI Mavic Mini is all ready to fly. As I had mentioned it to you earlier, we have this 249 grams written on the drone itself, that the drone is while flying is of 249 grams. Here the status light is yellow and blinking, which means the drone is not connected to the RC yet. The another status light could be red, which means the drone does not catches any of the GPS or is having a IMU error or is having a compass calibration error. The green light that shows here would denote that the drone is ready to take off and fly. Here I have turned the RC on as I told you before with the procedure, and I have already entered this DJI Fly app. As you can see here on the bottom left, we have a Go Fly button which will take us to the drone's view. We are now taking off the drone using these 2 joysticks. As you can see, the propellers have started. Here we have 2 joysticks. If we move the left joystick forward, the drone will take off. If we move the left joystick downwards, the drone will come down. If we move this left joystick in the left, the drone will turn around in the left. If we move the left joystick towards right, the drone will turn around in the right. We can move the drone in circle 360 degree clockwise or anti-clockwise as per our requirements. With this right joystick, if we move the right joystick forward, the drone will go forward. If we move the right joystick downward, the drone will come backwards. If we move this right, the drone will go to the right, and if we move this left, the drone will go to the left. So that's all for today. See you guys soon in the next video. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Till then, subscribe to Infinity and let me know any of your suggestions or queries in the comment section below.